Upgraded for machine simulation. In ZW3D 2021, full machine simulation has been remarkably upgraded. For example, machine builder, CNC controller, machine register, etc. have been added, and NC codes can be imported from external files. New machine builder supports machine customization. Let's follow the steps to see how it works. Step 1. Design the machine model and export each component as an STL file to the machine library folder. Step 2. Define the machine builder. Step 3. Save the file of machine builder. Step 4. Set the machine name and the machine type. Step 5. Create a machine assembly. Step 6. Create a movement axis, including X, Y, Z linear axis and AC rotary axis. Step 7. Set the movement relationship for all axes according to the machine type. Step 8. Insert the STL files of all machine parts one by one. Step 9. Set the direction of each axis. The 3 linear axes can be set in a positive direction, and the 2 rotary axes can be set in a negative direction. Step 10. Set a range of each axis. Create a tool head and a workpiece, and save it. RTCP functions for the configurations of different machines. Select an operation to simulate its machining process by full machine simulation. This is the new FMS setting dialog box. Select the predefined machine and confirm it. Set the machining positions of the tool head and the workpiece. Set the working coordinates. The NC codes are displayed here. The new RTCP option has been added to the setting form. Tick it to run. The RTCP function can satisfy the configurations of different machines. Support importing NC codes from external files. NC programs can now be loaded from external files. These are imported NC codes. You can directly import external NC codes to perform machine simulation.